Today we are going to be discussing about curtain system in Revit. You can see here in the architecture tab, you can see next to the floor you have curtain system. Today we are going to discuss on curtain system in Revit. Let us read here. Curtain system by face creates curtain system on the face of a mass or generic model. Okay, so I'm going to explain you. Let me close this current project now. I'm closing it now, and let's create a new project. Construction template. Okay, so here I'm going to 3D view. This is my 3D view, and I'm going to model with the model in place option. Let's take a generic model category and give any name. Let's give the name as building 1, and I'm going to say OK. Now I can set my reference plane to level 0. Okay, level 0, that's fine. And I'm going to draw an extrusion. Let's draw an extrusion here, and I'm going to finish edit mode. And now I can increase the height of the extrusion. Now let us consider that this is my entire building. This is my building block, and I'm going to finish this now. In case if I am doing facade work for this building, I need some curtain system here. So that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to architecture, selecting curtain system tool, and then here you can see 3 options. One is to select multiple, and the next one is to clear selection, and the next one is to create system. For example, I'm selecting this surface. You can see this is selected now, and I'm going to select the next one. So 2 side is selected now, and if I select create system, and you can see a glass panel now it is created, but it doesn't have any mullion. It is only having the glass. If you want to add mullion, give double escape, go to architecture again, and here you have curtain grid and mullion. To add curtain grid, select and place wherever you need. You can see here I'm adding curtain grid. Okay, so that's how you can add curtain grid. You can change the options here, and you can add one single segment also, like this one. Okay, so that's how you can do curtain grid. To add mullion, you can take mullion tool, and you can select any of these options. So the first option to add mullion for entire horizontal line. You can see here I'm adding to entire horizontal line. You can add it to a single segment, or you can add it to an entire system, like I'm adding here. I'm adding to the entire system. Okay, so this is how you can create a curtain system. Now I'm going to try the same curtain system with the massing, because curtain system works with the generic model and mass. Okay, now I'm going to massing and site, and I'm going for in place mass, and here Revit is asking me to give a name. Let's give mass 1 as the name. Okay, now I'm having option to model the mass. Mass also defining the form of building. Okay, so I'm drawing one line, and I'm selecting the profile, and then I'm creating a form. Okay, I'm creating an extrusion now. So maybe I can edit a little bit here. Let's select and extend a bit. Let's consider that this is my building form, and I'm going to finish the mass now. Okay, so now again I can go to massing and site, and I can use curtain system tool here. If both are same tool, okay, if I go to architecture and if I take curtain system, or if I go to massing and site and if I take curtain system, both will do the same work. Let me take the curtain system here, and I'm selecting. You can see the tools here. These are same tools, and I'm selecting any face and I'm giving create system. You can see here glass panel is created, but the mullion is not created. To add mullion, you can directly go to architecture and you can take mullion here, select all grid lines and add mullions. So that's how it works. You can delete the mask later on. So now I have to tell you that what is the difference between curtain system and curtain wall. The curtain system follows the profile of a face of the mask or face of the generic model. Okay, if you want to edit the profile of curtain, if you want to edit the profile of curtain system, you cannot edit. You can only update with the face of the mask. Okay, in case if you want to edit this profile, then it is better if you draw curtain wall itself. For example, I'm adding a wall. I'm typing WA in my keyboard and I'm taking curtain wall. I don't have any grids. Okay, let's go for a different type. Okay, I have my curtain grid. If I want to edit the profile of this wall, I can edit and I can give finish. You can see I can just edit the profile of the wall, but here in the curtain system I cannot do edit profile like this one. So that's why, in case if you want to do it like a curtain wall, you are free to do it. In case if you want to do it with the curtain system, you can do it. The choice is yours. Okay, but both the walls and system will have the same options in the instance parameter and in the type parameter. Okay, in another day I'm going to explain you more about type properties and instant property of curtain system. Today I'm going to just close it here. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.